Hello and welcome to this overview of the Comms Hub. Hello and welcome to this overview of the Waymaker Comms Hub. The communication center inside Waymaker exists to keep individual users up to date on changes in goals, outcomes, tasks, and to collaborate around the important things. Think of it like a secure comms channel when you're leading your team or collaborating with your team. Let me take you through the key highlights. To get there, click on Comms on the left-hand side. There are 4 parts: the feed, messages, channels, and search. The feed, much like the top right, where you can see the feed at any time and get message alerts, are all the updates across any changes that you own or you're a collaborator on across your management system. So if you're notified, if one of your team members updates one of their outcomes, if you're assigned tasks, you're going to see this on your feed. Clicking on a feed item is going to take you to that item in the goal or the outcome or the task. Messages are for DMs, classic chats or messaging where you want to create a message to somebody and create a one-to-one communication. Channels are exactly that. Create a channel for multiple team members. So that could be all of company or that could be your exec team. And channels are really simple. If you're used to using most chat services, it's going to be very similar. There are, however, a couple of small benefits to using Waymaker Comms, and that really is around communicating on important information. So Waymaker exists to make it easy and have a single source of truth for your plans, for your performance and continuous improvement. So when you're chatting or messaging, all the usual chat messages reply. You can reply into a message if you want to. Simply hit reply and create a thread. In addition, if you're wanting to share to the team any important things, for example, you want to tag a goal, you can click tag a goal and choose one of your goals or search for a goal. And that will create the quick link and you can share that out to your team. The same applies for sharing or tagging outcomes. It'll do a lookup on all outcomes and you can share those. And also task boards. And also scorecards. So if you're wanting to share a scorecard, for example, share to your team the latest balance scorecard or sales scorecard or a dashboard that you've built, then you can do that here. And in addition, you can also look up and share by tagging task boards. So if you're working on a particular project or executing a program, you can quickly share that task board by tagging it and linking that out to your team members. Waymaker Comms is super easy to search as well. It gives you a global search across messaging. So if I'm searching a topic like sales, I'll type sales, hit search, and it's going to bring up all the channels and messages across the platform relating to that. Clicking on those is going to take you there. So Waymaker Comms exists to make it easy for you to stay up to date on where your business, your organization, or your team is at in progressing and moving forward goals and outcomes and projects.